If you are trying to cut the cable in 2026, chances are you are choosing between FuboTV, YouTube TV, and Hulu Plus Live TV. They all offer live channels, sports, and cloud DVR, but which one is actually worth your money? In this video, I'll compare pricing, channels, sports, features, and how each service is best for. Pricing overview. Let's start with the pricing. YouTube TV costs around $73 per month. Hulu Plus Live TV is about $77 per month, but includes Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Fubo TV starts at roughly $80 per month. Cheapest YouTube TV. Best bundle value Hulu Live. Most expensive Fubo TV. Channel lineup. All three services offer major channels like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, Plus News, and Entertainment. YouTube TV has the most balanced channel lineup. Hulu Live focuses more on entertainment and family content. Fubo TV is heavily sports focused. Important note, Fubo TV still lacks some Turner channels, which may matter for NBA or March Madness fans. Sports coverage. This is where differences really show. Fubo TV is the best choice for sports lovers, especially soccer fans. YouTube TV offers strong coverage for NFL, NBA, MLB, and colleague sports. Hulu Live is solid, especially with ESPN Plus included, but less flexible for hardcore sports fans. Best for sports, Fubo TV. Best overall sports balance, YouTube TV. DVR and features. Cloud DVR can make or break a service. YouTube TV unlimited DVR up to 9 months. Hulu Live unlimited DVR but recordings expire sooner. Fubo TV limited DVR unless you pay extra. YouTube TV also wins for ease of use and interface simplicity. Streaming quality and devices. All three support smart TVs, phones and tablets, web browsers, and streaming devices. However, Fubo TV stands out with 4K sports content. YouTube TV is the most stable and user-friendly. Hulu Live integrates well if you already use Hulu. Who should choose what? Choose YouTube TV if you want best overall value, simple interface, unlimited DVR, balanced sports and entertainment. Choose Hulu Plus Live TV if you want one app for live TV plus Disney plus ESPN Plus, more on-demand content, family-friendly streaming. Choose Fubo TV if you want heavy sports coverage, soccer and international leagues, 4K live sports. Final verdict. Best overall YouTube TV, best for sports fans Fubo TV, best bundle Hulu Plus Live TV. Your best choice depends on what you watch most. If this video helped you out, please consider like and subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments which service you are using right now. And that's all for today's video. Goodbye.